Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a video in Windows 10 using free video editor. This is absolutely free. It comes under Photos app in Windows 10 and it is very simple and easy to use it. It has so many features and I'm going to show you in detail in this video. Now the first thing that you can do is just go to search box over here and then type video editor. Now though it comes under Photos app, but if you type video editor, it will directly take you to the videos projects and it will be easy and save your time as well. In case if you have already added the files, the videos, it will show them here and then you can sort them by oldest, newest. You have that option as well over here, but let me show you how to start a new project. So just click on the plus sign over here and then it will show to name your video. So let me just name it as vacation and then you click on OK. Now you have to click here plus add sign and then from this PC I have already files here, already videos, so just select them. Now I have named them as 1 2 3 4 in the sequence. Even if you don't do that, still okay, but the benefit of doing that is it will be easy for you to decide which video you should keep first or later, or according to the sequence. Let's say you have similar videos, this one and this one are like almost similar. From the small video clip I cannot decide in case if I don't name it 1 2 3, but I don't know which one I should keep first unless you check that video, open it and then check the video. But if you keep it like 1 2 3, then it will be easy to click up for the file as well. So let me just select them all and then click on open here. Now it will be here, and when you click on place in the storyboard, then it will be here by the sequence. So 1 2 3 4, it will be here by that. But even if you don't do that, let's say I just drag them here and then you see here. Now in case if you don't if you want to change the sequence of this clip, then let's say I do it like that, you can do it. So that's how you can change the sequence of the video. Now first thing that you want to do is, let's say I want to add a title card, then you click on it and then you can check the change the background as well. So let me just select it randomly. You have the option to customize as well, but let me just choose it randomly. Then you click on done, but you want to add a text, then you can do it. Just click over here and then add a title, and again let me just write vacation, and this will decide the duration of the text. So let me just leave it like that, but you can choose according to your choice. Click on done. Now you are done for this one. Now let's go to the second clip, and what do you want to do exactly? So we have trim, we have split, text, so many other options here. So when you trim it, let's say you think that this video clip is a little long and you want to make it a little short, then you can trim it and click on, just put a check on the box and then click on trim, and then you can decide the duration of the video. So let me just do it like that, and from here, till here, it will be the short video. So click on done. Now that long video is short now. So let's see, I want to make it for split this video into two, then you click on split, and then I want to split into two parts, then you can do it, or whatever according to the time that you want to. Let's say I want to split here, then you can decide it and then you click on done. Now that video will be one video will be divided into two parts. So let's say I want to add, next one is text. So I want to add a text on this video, then you put a check on that box and then click on text, and then you want to write something. So let's say I write beach time, and you can select the style of the text. So I want to keep it like that, and then yeah, you can choose it randomly. I will just show you. So let me just keep it like that, and then you click on done. Now that is done for this one. Now I want to add another text for this video clip, then you can click on text again, and then again let's say happy hours. Okay, and this time I want to change the layout, then I can do it. and so this one is okay for me. Okay, so let's just skip it over here, and then you click on done. Now there is the option for motion as well. You can click over here, and if you want to change it to zoom in center, zoom out center, you can figure it out that. So you have so many options here, but let me just choose normal, keep it normal for me right now, but you can adjust that accordingly, and then you click on done for that. Now you want to add a 3D effects, then you can do that as well. So just click on here, click on it, and it will show so many options here, so you can add that. But you have the effects as well, but you can choose, as I said, according to your choice. But let me just keep it simple for me for my video, so I won't add anything here. Now the next one, you want to filters, then you can do it. You can change the color as well, like that. Okay, and then you click on done. Now I want to add a text on this video part as well, so you can just click on the text, and then let's say cute moment. Okay, and then you decide the duration of the text again, and then you click on here. Now how about I want to add multiple text on that single one video clip? Then what you can do is, I have already added these two words, okay, on this video. Now I want to split it. Then you split that, because I want to add another text on the later part of this video clip. Then you can do it done, and that single video will be divided into two parts again. So this is the second part. This one is the one I added, cute moment. Now you want to add another one here, another text, then you do it maybe over here. I want to do it, let's say mountain. I want to do it. Okay, so you can again choose it. Like that. Then you click on done. So it's done. Now you can select the speed as well, speed of that video clip. Then you can choose it normal or fast or slow. You can decide that. The next option is remove or show black bars. In the middle of this video, I just added a picture of mine just to make you guys understand how to use this option. So let's say I have a picture, you have a picture that has black color on the side, and you don't want to look like that. Then what you can do is you can choose remove black bars. Then that black color will be removed and it will look like this. But in case if you want to keep like that, then you can choose shrink to fit. Then that black color will be there. But let me just choose this one as of now, and that's how you can use it. And the next one is to rotate. So let's say I have a video which is like this, for example. In case if you want to rotate that, then you can choose it, so you can make it like that. If you want to delete a particular video, then you can do it. And let's say I want to delete this video clip, then you can remove this video clip, and if you want to remove everything, it will remove everything. And you have so many options over here, or you can choose from here as well, or you can choose from here as well. Okay, now everything is done. Now I want to add the music on this video. So it has its own background music. You want to choose according to, from the list, you can do it. And if you have the customized one, you can select the custom audio as well. So you can just select that and then click on add the audio file, and then you can select your audio. So just click on open, and then you can drag it. And then it will be so I'm almost done. Now just select them all So now let me just save the video. I have done everything whatever I want to add. So now you just need to click on finish video, and you can choose the quality of the video, medium, or the smallest file size is this one, but I prefer the high one. So you can click on export and then you save the video. Let me just save it on my desktop. So you can click on export, and now it might take some time according to the size of the video. So it's done, and let me just play once and let me check the text and everything that I did is there or not. So I'm not sure the audio file, the music that I added in the video will be audible to my recording or not, but let me just play once. So that's how, guys, you can edit a video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and it's pretty simple to use and not so complicated. The music file and all the text that I added in the video are there, so it's completely fine for me. And in case if you have any questions or any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos in future.